This is going to be a video tutorial on how to turn on or off dark theme on the Zen Web Browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Zen Web Browser opened up now. To turn on or off dark theme, first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the upper right hand corner, up to the three-dot menu. I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to go down to where it says Settings, and I'm going to click on Settings. Now on this page that opens up, the pane off to the left hand side, I am on the General tab, and on the center pane you want to scroll down a ways to where you see the Language and Appearance section, and in the Language and Appearance section it gives you three options: Automatic, which would be whatever your system's theme is, Light, or Dark. As you can see, I currently have light theme toggled on, but I'm going to toggle on dark. Now I have went to a dark theme, but my interface is still in light theme. The way you change the theme of your interface, you want to go down to where it says Manage Zen Themes. You want to click on Extensions and Themes. Now on this page that opens up, the pane off to the left hand side, I am on the Themes tab, and it gives me three different options: light theme, dark theme, or your system's theme. I'm going to toggle on dark theme by clicking on Enable. Now as you can see, I have went to a dark theme. And if I wanted to change it to light, I would just follow the same steps. I'm going to click on Enable for the light. I'm going to go back to Settings, and I'm going to toggle on Light. That is how to enable or disable dark theme on the Zen Web Browser. Thanks for watching.